I've been scouting the internet and I've seen a lot of articles, blogs, and people talking about how the AI market is in a bubble. And I do believe it. I do believe that the AI market is in a bubble. Why is that? Well, there's been a lot of companies created lately, or applications, that are just ChatGPT wrappers. And by a wrapper, I mean it's just an app using the ChatGPT API. And an app being a ChatGPT wrapper doesn't mean that it's bad. There is a lot of apps that offer good value, and they are just a wrapper, and that's okay. But as always, the market corrects itself. So the companies that are not really offering any value, they're just gonna cease to exist. And the companies that are people like and solve a problem, they're gonna stay. And it's gonna be the same as the .com bubble, where all the companies that just had a website but didn't really offer a value just disappeared. Even though there were a lot of investors that were throwing money to anything that had a website at the time, it didn't mean that the company offered any real value. So it'll be the same situation, or a similar situation, with the AI market. And we are in a phase of experimentation, so companies want to try to replace or try out how AI can change their industry. And eventually the market will come down. People will see that AI is good for some things and bad for some others, and the experimentation phase will stop, and we'll have a more solid market, and we'll know what the AI value really is. So that's what I think will happen. But let me know what you think.